Imphal, January 16. 5 Manipur police personnel were arrested on Monday while ferrying drugs, including heroin and methamphetamine tablets, from More town along the India-Myanmar border, the police said. Kaching District Superintendent of Police, Shri Vats, said that the 5 cops, including a Havaldar, were transporting the drugs to state capital Imphal in a Maruti gypsy after collecting the contraband from Myanmar. Vats said that during a routine vehicle checking in the Karavpokpi area on National Highway 102, the drugs were seized and the policemen were arrested. The arrested police personnel are Havaldar K.H. Achauba Singh, Constable Y. Dineshwar Singh, and Rifleman T.H. Subhash Chothe, M. Premchandra Singh and N. Dorendrajit Singh. The district police chief said that 1.33 kilograms heroin and over 80,000 methamphetamine tablets weighing 9.151 kilograms, worth crores of rupees, were seized. A cash amount of 80,000 rupees was also seized from one of the cops. The arrested persons have been handed over to Kaching police for further legal action. In a separate development, the Manipur government on Monday started deploying drones to destroy poppy plantations in the state. More such missions will be carried out in all the areas where poppy is being cultivated, the Chief Minister said in a tweet. In a separate tweet, the Chief Minister said, grass cutters are now used for destruction of poppy plantations. Drones that can spray herbicides will be deployed soon as well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to channel and click on bell for more daily videos.